Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to do the Waterslide decal paper backwards like a tattoo, and you're going to put it on your cup this way. You'll see I accidentally printed it on the wrong side. So this is the right side. I sprayed it with the acrylic clear Treehouse Studio, 3 coats of it. I made an extra one just in case. And this is the paper I use. You can see that? No, it's backwards. So, and this is inkjet paper. So I have my warm water. I'm going to put the decal printed side down in the water. And it's warm. Hopefully I put enough coats of sealer on there. I'm going to wet my cup a little bit. You'll see the ink is coming off of the back side of the paper because I printed it on there before. I just have a small cup today. So I'm feeling to see if this decal is trying to come off of here yet. And it's almost ready. It's sliding on the backing paper. Okay, so it's ready to come off. So you're going to take it out gently because it can wrinkle up on there. And here it is. You can see through it onto the back. You're going to find where you want to put it on there, on your cup. And then you're just going to drop it down on there. And I do like a hinge method. I push down in the center. And then I'm just going to push down on the side. And then again over to the other side. And now you should be able to slide off the backing without moving your decal. Just like that. And I'll show you. You want to push out all the water bubbles, and you can do that with a wet finger, a squeegee. I don't use a squeegee because I think it's too hard and I don't want to rip the paper. But make sure you push all the water bubbles out. You can feel it where they are when you run your finger over it. My last cup I didn't get all the water out and it didn't work well. It pushed a bubble through the epoxy. Okay, and then you take your towel, get the extra water off, and you let it dry. And that's it. And the cup has, I painted it white, and then I actually did a glow-in-the-dark clear over it. So it's going to have like a white glow-in-the-dark effect on there. And as this is drying, you can look closely at it and see if there's any bubbles or wrinkles underneath. And you just push them out. Let it dry. It's not moving around. See, you can't really move it on there. It just sticks. So let it dry, and then you can epoxy over it. And that's it. Okay.